We are delighted to introduce Mr. Mohit Kumar, a distinguished HR leader whose dynamic 20-year career has significantly shaped organizations across diverse and competitive industries. Known for his expertise in navigating complex transactions, he has been instrumental in building empowered and talented workforce in cross-cultural environments. As a seasoned strategist, he excels in defining organization structure and aligning human capital with business goals. His ability to enhance organizational capability, foster culture, and optimize performance has been a catalyst for driving revenue and profit growth. His role as a trusted advisor to senior management highlights his deep understanding of business needs and his commitment to delivering results. His specialties include strategic business planning, organization restructuring, global business practices, and change management. He is also renowned for his skill in leadership and succession development, executive coaching, and mentoring large teams. He focuses on organizational effectiveness and employee relations, underscores his human-centered approach to leadership and management. Mr. Mohit's profound impact on organization success and his unwavering dedication to fostering a thriving business environment make him a remarkable leader and a valued asset to any organization. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome Mr. Mohit Kumar.
थैंक यू सो मच और ये मेरे को चाहिए ये बहुत काम का है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी मैं सुबह से लेके अभी तक पूरा एकदम मंत्रमुग्ध होके पूरा इसको जितना एब्जॉर्ब कर सकता हूँ उतना एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा हूँ सो थैंक यू विक्रांत जी एंड थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी इन दिस रूम फॉर शेयरिंग योर विजडम एंड सेवा परमो धर्मा तो इस समय सेवा यही होगी कि आई शुड फिनिश वेल इन टाइम एक्चुअली राइट सो आई विल डू दैट So what I'll be doing, I'll be sharing some of the initiatives on CSR and then also where we are incorporating Seva or servant leadership in our different initiatives that I'll do without the presentation. So those who perform actions for the sake of others without seeking any rewards attain true happiness and fulfillment. This has been spoken enough since morning. So I'm just repeating that. So, okay, so this is our project. We have our mines in Chhattisgarh, coal mines, and that is where the lot of tribals, they are there. So over there what we have done, they are known as Devangans. Devangans, उनका जो belief है कि that उनको माँ दुर्गा जी ने उत्पन्न किया and they were given the pious duty to weave for the humans everywhere. So, no, the threat to this community was in terms of the cheaper polyester and the other yarns. And the challenges were that there were no new product development, there were no market linkages, the per person earning was very low. So people were moving away from the traditional Kosala weaving. Kosa is that worm from where the silk is taken. So what we have done is to bring them together, help them with the product development, help them with the market linkage, help them with the new weaving tools, help them with the training and development, help them with celebrating themselves, help them with the recognition. So that is what we are doing. I'm not going through all the slides. It is creating the entire ecosystem, creating the livelihoods, and the cultural sustainability. जो उनका अपना culture है, so creating, helping them in sustaining that. So this is what the objectives have been: the livelihood, the incentives, community building, capacity building, and the market positioning. This is the impact. More than that impact, it is the pride. I have personally gone and met them. So the pride, when you see the happiness that you see on the faces, that's the best impact, apart from all the key metrics that we are supposed to capture and report, which are mentioned over here. The other one, like many other places, Hindalco Industries, we are present in different parts of the country. We are present in Odisha big time, in Sambalpur, in Raigada. Mines are there in Chhattisgarh, mines are there in Jharkhand, mines are there in Maharashtra also. The other big cluster is in Renukut and around in UP and MP. And the other plants are there in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, West Bengal. So everywhere it is important that we develop our medical facilities, we connect with the community around. So this is what the intent has been. So we keep doing those surveys like many of the organizations, many of the big organizations. We keep doing our surveys. We keep benchmarking with the others where our medical facilities are, and those medical facilities are available not only to the Hindalco employees or the contract employees, it is also available to the community around. And during COVID time, that came very, very handy. So like our plants are in remote locations. For example, Renukut is around 7 hours, or around 5-6 hours from Varanasi. Similarly, so Sambalpur is around 4-5 hours from Raipur. Raigada, we have to go from Vizag around 4-5 hours. So the medical facilities have to be of good quality if we have to handle the epidemics like COVID or any other exigencies. We don't want anybody to suffer because of lack of medical attention. So we have really taken them to a certain level, and those things are available to employees. And so preventive health care, curative health care, child health care and reproductive health care, and the health infrastructure which I just mentioned, with the view to enhancing quality of life, improving health outcomes, and increase access to health care. The third one which I want to share with you, that is a Project Sugandha, that is helping the local community grow more productive, more commercially benefiting crops. So over here it is a lemongrass, and we have engaged them, we have provided them the right kind of guidance, right kind of training, and that is what has resulted into the average profit of 60,000 per annum per acre. I can also go for farming now, right? Right. So that is the CSR work which is happening. I still have 2 minutes to go. So the Seva bhav, which is there, so on the HR side, the servant leadership we are trying to create. We're not saying that we are really successful, and that Seva thing has to be experienced in the conversations. So we are promoting as part of our culture journey. For last 6 years, we are having our culture journey. We are promoting an initiative which is known as My People Are. My People Are is nothing but creating empowerment by design. That is what we are doing currently. How much I can delegate to my next level, and then how can I mentor them, coach them that they are successful, what competencies they need, what resources they need, what is the ring fencing which is needed around doing those decisions right. So that is the every month conversation. And for that, we are doing a massive capability building, which is this My People is nothing but the kind of coaching that is building empathy. Empathy that is basically getting the license from the other person to that he wants my help. I'm not there just to, no, you please take my help, I'm going to give you feedback. That doesn't work now. The second part of that is searching together. That is, what are the options possible, what capability is required. The third part is care fronting. When the relationship is established between the manager and the employee, then care fronting, highlighting the areas that he has not looked into. And fourth is the agreement. That is what is the way forward action planning, which is there. We also hire around 250 young engineers, HR professionals, sustainability professionals from all over. And as part of their first year journey, the CSR instinct around any of our plants is mandatory, and they really enjoy. Mandatory means it's part of the design, and they really enjoy doing that. Plus, we also incorporating the hard skills in our training program so that gradually our leaders become more caring, more supportive, and they lead from the self-awareness, and they lead from the hard skills, which is like better listening, being more respectful. We're also creating the ecosystem about giving feedback to the leaders in the organization, that how they are seen by the people 360-degree, so that they can take help to be a better servant leaders. I think I'm just in time. Seva, Paramo, Dharma. Let's keep doing it through CSR and every day in life. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you,
On
Mohitji.
behalf of United Council for Ancient Wisdom and United Global Peace Foundation, I thank Mr. Mohit Kumar for sharing his.
Now, do we invite our friend Devendra Kumarji in